All right, back with another product review. I've been seeing these all over the TikTok shop, and I wanted to see what the hype was about these little spin mops, right? Because the big thing they say is the dual compartments, where you can put clean water in that center portion, and then when you spin it, it dumps out the dirty water, which is kind of cool. Because I'm a millennial, I grew up in my household, and my mom would always be like, "Gio, you better not be cleaning my floors with the dirty water. You please dump the water." So I honestly might give this to my mom, be like, "Hey, mom, look, there's no water, there's no dirty water, it's clean." Now, the directions said to give it 4 slow pumps, which I did. Hit those spots, you know what I'm saying? So what I did was I put it back in, gave it 4 slow sensual pumps, and not only did it get wetter, it actually cleaned the pad as well. So for my second round of cleaning. So I finished up all my cleaning, and I took it to the bathroom to dump out the water. As you can see, the clean water is still super clean, and they got all that dirty, gunky water. They got a plug on the side here. You just pull that out. Look at all that water. Oh, the floors need to be cleaned for sure. So to conclude, I would say the hype is warranted for these mops. So if you're trying to pick up a new mop that can separate the clean and dirty water, definitely pick one of these up. You can click my link down below. And fellas, if you do get these, follow the directions. 4 slow sensual pumps.